Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Okay, 30 days challenge, week 1 sequence. Okay, we can focus on foundation and breathing. Okay, so sit down on Sukhasana, connecting your sitting bone down, ground yourself. Okay, and the crown reaching toward the sky and drop your shoulders down. We're gonna work on Ujjayi Pranayama. Pranayama is breathing, right? So it's also, I call it the oceanic breathing. So, okay. So lightly close your mouth, okay? And then inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. And as you exhale, try to hit the back of your throat to create like ocean wave sound. Okay, let's do it together. Inhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, and exhale through the nose. Inhale, exhale, try to like create wave sound toward hitting your sound toward the back of your throat. Inhale, the last one. And fill up your lung, chest open, fill up your air with the whole body and exhale. Squeezing your air out from your stomach. Okay? Okay, so now let's take tabletop pose. We're gonna work on cat and cow pose. Okay? Palm heel underneath your shoulders. Knee open about the hip distance. And either ear, you can keep your toes straight or tuck. Okay, so let's tuck your toes this way. And inhale, for cat and cow pose, we're gonna really create movement in your spine. Okay, space and movement in your spine. Okay, inhale, cow pose, drop your belly, look up. Exhale, cat pose, roll your back, tuck your chin. So we're gonna repeat this 5 times. Inhale, lengthen your spine, crown and tailbone reaching toward the sky. Exhale, tuck your chin. Try to look toward your navel, toward your stomach. Okay. Inhale, relax your stomach and try to feel the length on your back. Exhale, roll your back as much as you can, push your palms down. Inhale, widen your collarbone, drop your shoulders down. Exhale, the shoulder blades, the between shoulder blades push toward the ceiling. One more, inhale. Create space each vertebra in between each vertebra and exhale. Navel, stomach toward your spine. And now neutral back to center. Okay, from here, let's take Adho Mukha Shavasana, that one downward facing dog. Okay, lift up your hips. Okay, make sure really 10 toes and 10 toes and 10 fingers spread really wide and down. Try to sending your tailbone toward your heels. Okay, drishti, gaze in between your feet. Okay, between your legs. Okay, and take 5 deep breaths. Inhale to lengthen and tailbone reaching toward the sky. Keep this height and exhale. Place your heels, palms down. Inhale, crown reaching downward, shoulders away from ears. Inhale, exhale for 3. Belly close to your thighs. Inhale, exhale for 4. Create space between shoulders and ears. And inhale, exhale for 5. And inhale. And as you exhale, bring one leg forward. Okay? You can just, and we're gonna do lower lunge. Back, knee down. Okay? Flatten your toes. And either you can put your arms up or hips. But today, let's keep your hands on the knee. Inhale, exhale, send your hips forward. Try to feel the stretch on the front. And here, 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1. I'm really feeling stretch on my psoas, hip flexor here. 2. Use exhale to go deeper. Inhale, lengthen crown reaching toward the sky. And exhale, press your hips forward. 4. Drop your shoulders and widen your collarbones. And 5. Okay, so now from here, tuck your back toes and sit on your heel, runner's stretch here. And 5 deep breaths. Now I'm really feeling the back of your thigh, back of my thigh and calf stretched. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now bring this leg down. Okay, now let's do the other side. Lifting up and step. Okay, back heel down, toes straight, and keep your back straight. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And tuck back toes and sit on your heel. And run and stretch. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, lengthen and release. 3, 4, and 5. And bring from leg back. And walk your hands toward your feet and roll up. Okay, so we're gonna do half sun salutation here. And toes heels touch. Okay, inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale, bend over. Inhale, arms up. Hands to heart center. Samasthiti here. Okay, we're gonna repeat 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Adha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale all the way up. And hands heart center. Samasthiti. 1 more time. Inhale, reach. Make sure to keep the feet down. Exhale, all the way down. Uttanasana. Inhale. Adha Uttanasana. Lengthen your spine. Use your core. Exhale. Uttanasana. Hinge on your hips. Inhale all the way up. Hands heart center. And Samasthiti down. Okay, so now let's lay down on your back. Okay, we're gonna do bridge pose here and open your knee about your hip distance. Okay, and palms down And inhale, and as you exhale, lift up your hips. Make sure knee, hips, shoulders, diagonal one line. And then you can keep your hands this way. Also, you can interlace your hands under and roll shoulders in and stand up, lifting up. Hold 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. So relax your glute, relax your hips, and try to hold this pose with your core. Okay? Inhale, exhale for 1. 2, use your heels. Press your heels down. 3, and keep your knees on your hip distance. 4, and 5. Now release your hands slowly. Roll your hips down. And now from here, and bring left leg over your right knee, and drop your knees to your right and look to the left. Easy twist. And you can keep your hands on top of your knee to get deeper twist. And here, 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, go deeper on this twist. Inhale, exhale back to center. And let's do the other side. Hook over the knee and drop your knee to the left and look to your right. And really try to feel open up your chest. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. And exhale back to center. Now extend your knees. Let's take final pose of Shavasana. Deep inhale. And open mouth, sigh out. Let it go. And here, use inhale, and as you exhale, relax your forehead. Relax your cheeks. Drop your jaw. Melting down your shoulders. Release any tension from your chest. And scan through all 4 limbs. Everything becoming heavier and heavier, melting down to the floor. For 30 days challenge, repetition and consistency are key. I want you to repeat this sequence every day for 7 days. And then after the end of a week, you're gonna graduate it into next week. After you finish this 30 days challenge, I want you to include these sequences into your daily routine. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!